So if you happen to watch one of my other videos, you can tell it was kind of dark in here. The only real light I was getting in here that makes it brighter is if I have the garage door open like it is right now. So all I had up here was one of these things, but it only pretty much lit up the back of the garage back here. The front of the garage where the garage door was at is gets pretty dark. So here are the lights I bought. They are LED 4000K cool white lights. They come in a pack of 8 from Amazon for $54.99. I'll make sure I link it in the description below should you want something similar. Each light has a port on each end so you can daisy chain the lights from one electrical source. Each box comes with enough mounting gear for each light. Also supplied are short and long connectors so you can connect the lights closely or far away should you choose. There are also connectors with plugs so you can plug the lights in to an outlet rather than hardwire them. I chose to hardwire my lights, so here I am removing the fixture. Before I can connect the wires to the power, I'm giving myself a bit more wire to play with so connecting them is easier. After hardwiring the connector to the main power, I reattach the fixture and I'll use that for light as well. Safety note, and I really shouldn't have to say this, but there's always going to be that one person. Turn off the power before you do any of this, or else your new nickname's going to be Sparky. I forgot to show these earlier, but they're just little caps to put in the end of the port that you're not going to use. Once I decide where I'm going to put the light, I drill pilot holes for each bracket, then I secure the brackets to the ceiling. Now comes the easiest part. Plug the light in and snap it into the brackets. At this point, I didn't have much to say, so it was either drone on and bore you, or continue playing music as I move at Superman speeds. Or at least Superman with the flu. Don't worry, the music's coming back. I just wanted to thank all of you who have made it this far into the video. If you like what you have seen so far, or want to just make fun of me for wearing flip-flops on a ladder, click the like button. If you want to see more videos as I post them, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you didn't really like the video, hit that downvote button and let me know why in the comments. And now back to our regular scheduled program. As you can see from a previous video, the lights are nice and bright. They were definitely a game changer in the garage. Oops, I mean shop. I'll see you next time here at the Freedom Workshop.